Okay, so when you do this, you want a piece of paper for your handprint, you want a piece of paper to glue your handprint to, and then maybe a background paper. So I'm gonna take a paintbrush and I'm gonna take my blue paint, and I'm gonna paint all my hand blue, and I'm gonna do this fairly quickly. So I'm gonna press on here, and I wanna really make sure, even press down with my other hand and get this on there so I get a full handprint on there. Really pressing hard, trying to get in all these spots. I know right here in the middle is a really hard spot to get. Fingers. Okay. Pull it off there, and then you have your handprint. Okay, once your hand is ready to glue on, what I did is I cut this white paper down to 8 by 10, and it's gonna go on a 9 by 12 blue paper like this when it's finished. So before I glue my hand on here, I'm gonna imagine that there's like fireworks in the background. So I'm gonna take and just have like some streaks coming off of here. Kind of start in the middle, and what I do is take a brush and just pull it, and I can turn my paper if I need to. So I want some short streaks, some little lines, just a real variety of lines like this. And if I hold my filbert this direction, I get a fat line. If I turn it at an angle, I can get a short line. So I'm gonna use mainly red to do this background of fireworks, because if I do blue, my hand's not gonna show up very good. So I'm kind of turning my paper, going around in all kinds of different directions. All right, then maybe I'll add a little bit of blue in here. Few dashes and dots of blue. Alright, once I feel like it's pretty good, I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put my hand. I'm gonna turn it this way and put my hand down here. Okay, so I'm going to take some Elmer's glue, and I'm going to add glue to the back side. Mine's a little bit wet yet. I should have probably dried a little more with dryer. Okay, so add a little bit of glue to the background, and then you take this and you glue it onto your paper, like so, pressing down, and that glue will dry clear, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. Alright, and then I can kind of see where I need to add some more designs for the background, maybe here, and get a better idea of where finish our 4th of July handprints. Cool, and there's my 4th of July handprint. When this dries, then I will glue it onto a colored sheet of paper like so, to make it look like a finished piece of artwork. Hey, thanks for joining us on Kid Art Nation. If you enjoyed our videos, it would mean a lot if you liked the videos and subscribe to our channel. Remember, you are important, you are amazing, you are an artist.